Hello everyone, this is Simply Kiwi. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm doing a DIY for gel or jelly polishes. What I did was I saw someone on YouTube, and I can't remember that person's name or her YouTube name, but I did see an economical way to do jelly polishes, and I'm all about saving the dollar. So what I did was, as you can see, I have some polishes here, but these are the ones that I've done as jelly polishes. And I'm going to show you today the colors that I use to make these polishes, and then I'm going to demonstrate one for you and what I've done to create these polishes. As you all know, some polishes can be very expensive, and some of those jelly polishes can also be expensive. So this is a more economical way to get the jelly look without the jelly price. So let me go ahead and show you the polishes that I did. For this red here, I used this Wet n Wild red. So what I did was just put about 15 drops in that bottle. The next one is Ruby Kiss, and this is Deal with the Devil. It's a dark navy blue, and this is what I did to create this one. The next one is a purple. This is the Kiss Gel Polish, and it is called Inside Out. Same thing, about 15 drops. For the yellow, which is a Wet n Wild, it's something that I had for a long time, and I said I don't really use it very much. It's called Dio. Oops. And it's this bright yellow, which I don't have much left in here, but that's what I used to create this one. The next one is also a Wet n Wild. It's a bright pink, which is lavender cream. The next one is the green, which is Broadway Nails, and it's Central Park. So let me show you exactly what I've done to get these polishes as a jelly polish. So I'm going to move these out of the way. What I did was purchase several of these little Wet n Wild clear nail polishes, and you can get them anywhere. I know I went today at a Dollar General and got some for like 85 cents. So from, depending on where you get it from, you can go up to $1 or a little bit more. But these are pretty reasonable in price, so you can get those anywhere pretty much. And what I did was, this is another Wet n Wild. Like I said, I've used some of it up, but I haven't used it in a while, which is Nuclear War. It's a bright orange. And all I've done, so I'll take it and open it up, and this is a brand new bottle, and I wanted to try this out myself just to see how well it would do. So I'm going to put about 15 drops, and I'm doing it with the full bottle, and I did the other ones with the pretty much full bottle. The only one that I didn't do with the full bottle was a green. I wanted to see if it'll, have much of effect if it's a full bottle, which it doesn't. You can still use it on a full bottle because you're only using some drops. Of course, close it up and just shake. Just shake it. Twirl it around. I'm just shaking it. And just twirl it. But as you can see, it's starting to turn. I'm just going to keep shaking it. And just rope. And if you feel like the color is not opaque enough, of course, just add some more drops. But pretty much, that's all you do. And you have your jelly polishes. So now I'm going to swatch them so you can see how they look. And I'm going to wait on this orange one for a second. But let me try the green. Let me just open them all up. So you can see how well they do. And I'm pretty satisfied with them. Like I said, some of these gel polishes cost a lot, and Sister Girl is on a budget. So this is the red that I did. Let me see if I can get it in frame a little bit better here while I do this. Let's see. Let's see if I can do that. That looks a little bit better if I do it that way. Alright, let me paint it this way so you can kind of see. That's the red. And what I did was already paint this swatch wheel with a white. Okay, let me try the pink right next to it. And it's going to look almost the same until, of course, we build it up. Then the green. I'm going to put about 2 coats, so as we go around. But as you can see, they're starting to look like those little jelly polishes. Okay, let's try the yellow. The blue. Look how pretty that is as a jelly polish. And the purple. And the red. Oh, I just did the red. Oh! That was meant for the orange. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can go back over that. Messed that up. But you get the point. Let me go over this side and see if you can see it. Probably won't see it as well because it's not on the white, but you get the point. Let me go back over with the red. Now it's starting to build up a little bit with the red. You can see that. Okay. And let me go ahead and do the pink. And they are looking a lot alike. I'm going to have to put some more in that red to give it more of a red color. But the green is turning out really well. The yellow, the blue, and the purple. Like I said, I messed up the orange, but probably won't be able to see it on this, but that's the orange. So pretty much that's all I did with the jelly polishes. Like I said, I think that's pretty good, and that also for the price. So if you have any questions, feel free to make any comments and questions in the comments section, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried this technique and how well it worked for you. So just let me know. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, smooches, and everyone, please be blessed.